Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can figure out which reels are trending on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now this is a bit of a tricky situation to be in since there are no specific, reels which you can 100% guarantee are trending. Usually the reels that you see suggested for you are going to be semi-trending, at least for the content that your algorithm has picked out for you. So let me show you guys where you can find it. So if we go into the bottom sort of bar, you can just click this sort of play button looking thing and you'll see some reels that are suggested for you. Just scroll through them and then you'll see reels which are suggested, of course tailored depending on your algorithm, but also a lot of them will be generally suggested, which are in general popular. Of course, if some of them have sounds, you can click on the sounds which are popping off at the moment, and then you can search through the reels to see which reels will appear most often, and then you can get a pretty good clue in how well that sound does and how popular those reels are. You can also click on the looking glass and you'll see your suggested feed, and here you can go through the reels and see which reels are also popping off and which reels are getting many views. And once you go through that, you can get a pretty good idea of what's currently popular on Instagram, what's currently trending. And once you get that idea, then you can go ahead and create your own reels, of course, with the sounds that perform the best if you're looking for the best engagement and everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.